Welcome back to my vlog. I'm Lexi Nardoni if you're new here, and I am in Munich. You can't really tell. I'm in Munich today. I just got in and I'm about to go explore a bit of the city and get some dinner for tonight, and then I'll come back here and rest up because we got a full day's worth for the next weekend. I've got 2 trips, like tour things planned, so I'm really excited. But first, let's kind of do a chill night. Okay, I'm back for the night. I need to go to bed early because I have to take a train tomorrow and then get to where I'm gonna do my tour. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go to Neuschwanstein Castle. It's been on my bucket list for so long. I'm so excited, but I need to get some rest so I can wake up early and all of that. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'm so excited. We are off to Neuschwanstein today, so I gotta get going on the train. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We made it up to Neuschwanstein. I'm in the bathroom. And we might have to walk over there. And I'm wearing boots and heeled boots and a skirt. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah. So, the horses didn't come in time. I wanted to do a horse-drawn carriage downhill, but I was afraid that I wouldn't make it back down in time, so now I'm like running down the hill in these hills, which is great for me. Time for day 2 in Munich. I am going to Dachau today, which is a concentration camp, so I don't know if I will be filming there. I probably won't. What I mean, I say don't know. But it is a shorter tour, so I'll be able to explore Munich later. But yeah, I just want to be respectful and just kind of go view it myself. Same thing as last year when I went to the Anne Frank house and museum. So yeah, I'm excited though. Let's keep going. So I'm back from the tour. It was amazing. You guys should really do the tour if you are there. But now I'm just gonna walk around, trying to go to another Christmas market, maybe get some food before I head back to my hotel. Hey guys, it is a travel day today. I'll be going from Munich over to Heidelberg. I'm really excited, and I'm wearing a sweatshirt. Gotta keep it casual and comfy for this travel day. I am running out of clean clothes, and I don't have laundry till Dusseldorf. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, and we're gonna take a nice train ride to Heidelberg. I made it to my hostel and look at the view. Hold on. Insane. I'll take a better one on my camera in 2 seconds, but I think I'm gonna explore the old town. Maybe it's sunny out, so I might do the Philosopher's Walk, which I've been reading about, and the host just told me about it, so I might do that and, you know, enjoy the rest of the day. I wanted to like go out and walk around, but it's raining pretty hard, so we'll see if it lights up or not. But yeah, I need to charge my phone anyway, I guess. But I ate, and I thought I'd be like, oh, I'll eat a snack and I'll be hungry later, but I'm full, so maybe I'll just watch an episode of my show and then see how the rain's at. I just realized I left my adapter in Munich. Ugh. So annoying. But I guess I'll go get a charger tomorrow. Oh my god, my computer's almost dead now. Good morning. It's time to explore. I hope this angle isn't bad. It's time to explore Heidelberg. I'm gonna be going, I don't know how much I'm gonna update you guys just because, you know, I don't have a charger and I need to get that today and I don't want my phone to die before I do that. So I'm gonna be going up to the castle, the Heidelberg Castle, I don't know what it's called, and then probably shopping in the old town, getting a charger, and then I'll probably do the Philosopher's Walk at the end of the day. So that's kind of my day schedule. You know, you guys have seen these past couple vlogs, not everything goes to plan, but we shall do that and try to get through all that. I'm dripping wet, so I guess I'm gonna hang out in here until the rain lightens up. I've been shopping, did a little bit too much shopping, but I secured the charger. So now I'm gonna go do a hike in this outfit because I just love, you already saw me walk in the woods earlier. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I wanted to split up Germany because I'm spending like over a week here. So you can finish the rest of the stay in Heidelberg on the next vlog, as well as Dusseldorf and Berlin. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so much fun. So if you wanna tune into that, make sure to go watch my next video and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.